Hello, people. Now, good morning. How na day? Also, na day fine. I greet everybody. Pele. When I not vex, so I dey do some things. So if una dey hear some noise, I dey cook. I just say me, I just still talk to my people. Wago. My people, I dey come. Maybe I will see me. I first play this audio. Me I first dey play and small. One on the year. I want to talk about this.
Anytime you can listen to it,
Okay,
me and you also, we go talk. Then, at the same time, am I disappointed? I am 100% disappointed. You know, you guys know. I always say it. If you want to be my friend, if you like now you dirty pass. I like dirty people. I love dirty people. Because I know that when you turn, you're going to be clean. I don't have problem in cleaning you. My mouth shut while cleaning you. I've said it time with tap number. But if you always sweep something under carpet, it's not good. It's not good. Otherwise, you go put forth for waiting any plan. Yes. You understand? Okay, if you not tell all Loshuna true, I no go blame her. But what about me? Monica Lopolo no ye bene erove. Ama woman. If you have a toge, ona ya tanane. I ta. I no. Ina ewe because we need all home last check it up. My last card. On a middle card. On my check up. On a check up. I'm not television on that side. Because no, you can personal life, is usually not my thing. If you want to say it, say. If you don't want to say it, bye. I beg if you try with that number. Say the truth. I will say if you don't want to say it, don't say it. I don't want to hear it. But if you have to say, please say the truth to me. This girl will swear. That's another concern. Why? Niviana vemboe, benuwana eguwa moepo, wa vemboe, uga vemboe, a boy is coming for you. That one, and I'm a Christian. And there's some people who say, now Juju they worry at me. I not believe man. And when you don't swear or Juju shop or Juju go they worry you. Don't be lie. Not use or Juju play when you don't know God. Worry liars when you don't know where they go. Not use or Juju play when you don't know God. Then again, if you for Facebook, always and all the time now with the talk say, oh manu ya madam yo give away egbe wo mi anasunu. What that mean? Egbe wo mi anasunu. Oh manu ya madam bi wa we egbe wo mi anasunu. If you why? A lot of things when they talk about when we start the matter, many things. I mean, if you your boy see, as what they talk at this evening, if you know, say you get that kind of lifestyle, when we go they talk later, make you change. But if you not change, your days
My people, and they come. Now, I'm not waiting to make me they play this audio, this Monica audio. Because Monica don't fair know how it be. Monica know how it be. I'm not waiting to make me they talk so because of the video where Monica do yesterday concerning Destiny. Monica don't fair know how it be. Say it authority. One woman okay because one woman no lele can one even no ya izo bozo we no ya go. If Monica yesterday when Monica come out, I watched that the one with the cut where another atta where what in the color Edward of audio game because of we that's a Destiny send something called give and something like that. Monica, first of all, me I tell you one thing. You say me Destiny not call UK. If you call UK, you go make sure say they arrest her. My sister. Danger, understand. Danger. You know why I tell you? Because you don't offend that boy. That thing when maybe they say they want to draw you. You know say you don't get right to play anybody audio. You know that one, especially the one where they talk for phone. Not be this one where me they play. So because this one na social media, now you put on na video you do. Where Esther they talk with Destiny, you carry their video, now you play am. They don't care who carry can give you. You wait play am, now you go answer the query. What answer the question? So for you yesterday to come and because you know why they what to make me they talk this one because you said that they find your own for inside. No, now you they put yourself. Now you they put yourself for inside. Because you know say if you don't offend person, you know say that person you really offend them. Where you not like him. You understand? You go be careful for that person. And you not kind, you know what make you go there again. Because you might not can't be not where they do rain. You understand? So Destiny say make you stay away for a name. And your time away. Or when since you wait, you know what come out, he go tell you be Destiny. Or ma threatening you where that one not be threatening. If you go give up balegbe, that one is not threatening. That's where if you want make you whole person who gonna darua boji, you for tell and say who be Destiny. Then you go come tell you say if you reach Benin, I go break your leg, I go break your head, I go this one, I go tell you say na me they do this one. Now that one ain't be threatening. If you go give this one to Ogbalegbe now, say person threatening you, they'll say they not see any threatening for them. And really no threatening there. No threatening. I go tell you who I be. You for us and say who you be. There are more who don't more Uruabo. He not threatening you for that. And if you want to go give Ogbalegbe for the UK where you did, because if now they do something, how they look now. You reach they never reach 1 month. I'm not hearing I am where. It doesn't who will offend you. Go with my brother because who can't offend the name. Because now you talk and you say if you they lie, where. Who can't offend the name? Or when you stay away from your name, all time away. This time, I go tell you who be Destiny. Don't be threatening. I go tell you, I go tell you many things. Not be threatening. Threatening, I mean, no. The one where you make you, because you talk and say not threatening. Go really whole. Na better one. Not be this one. This one na nyama. And before then, because you say you don't meet your lawyer, tell your lawyer, say you don't fair gbete for this side. You know, say they still the open case. Case where they don't close for 20 years. They go open again. And that's in here go where judge. And all winning way. And the truth. I know what made all this thing happen. But I know they talking. So not come they talk and say you don't meet your lawyer. Tell your lawyer what you fair do. Go help here your total cap. You tell and say see what if fair happen. What if they not break come una. And so now they say una be social media presenter. Una get certificate. What una they present? Una not get. All of una not get. You said I be live video person. Finish. Una never enter one chance. If una enter one chance, that's a presenter one that they say I be presenter for social media. Una can't bring the certificate come out. Who give you? Where you for take am? Where they forgive una? So all these things, now you put yourself. Now make me come to talk to you. Now you know why? Because like me, I do audio that time. I do audio 3 days ago. I know even talk to you because I talk to you in a way say yes. Now normal thing, person defend you. You go say you want constant defend that. It's normal. But now you can't put yourself now. You can't plug yourself inside. You don't want to do saga, but you put yourself for inside. If you just come out, come talk to Eddie, say, Eddie, why you record me? You are right. We won't record you. I just still they come for Eddie. If you like with the poor red head, I will block you just now, not worry, because if you not get head, you not they understand. If you just come out yesterday, you can't talk to Eddie, say, you not get right to record me. I go just back you for back and say, Jess, Eddie not get right. Because before you record person, you first and say, as we dey talk, so I want to record you. The person will tell you, say, go ahead or not go ahead. It's against the law. If not that one, you just come and come talk, I will just support you 100%. Because you know what that boy pass. They bring his something come out. Why give me that way me down? Ni ma ba ata way na we good pass. Like say you know just put yourself now. Monica, I for too like her. But you can't hand yourself for inside the insulting Eddie. If you want to insult Eddie in another way, you are right. Nobody will tell you say why you insult him. Because he records you. Because it's against the law. You don't do that. I know if they talk to you for phone, they record me. No. Anytime when you want call person for, if you they talk to all this this if you what that they call them, they call you. Maybe the person call you and they want to record you. They will tell you. all this office, all this where you go take appointment, they'll tell you say this call where we dey talk, so we want record down. That is before the person go pick. Now the machine then go tell you say they want record down. They don't want tell you. So if you not agree, make you drop. You not carry person the record like that. You don't do that. When I can't use that in a way, when I can't they turn now upside down. Like say Monica, you come and they talk to her, this that record where you do me, I go show you. I will say do one because I'm not going or me. You don't do that to people. But you now you can't put yourself. Say na Edward, now bring this thing come out. Now send everything can't give you. And then you make sure say you make sure say na real na the truth now you dey talk. And if we send that can't give you, never see say sometimes person will bring something can't give you. It no matter, you will bring and come out. All handle like problem. I know say people where they like you need to record them. That one they different. That one not talk it they different. Monica talk very only. And you know that say even the way she even talk for them. Not be something where you say big person. You will not say he want just defend the fear. You know if you go there say Mona break and come out, Mona beat her. No. Because he said his sister and if you still defend down the time where in with Lord of the quarrel. Me understand that one. I would not tell that one. Say I understand that one. But the one when she can't they put herself now, can't they put destiny, can't they bring your waiting fair pass come out. He say threatening her. But you know, if you go tell your lawyer, say person threatening you, you'll make sure say you get better proof. Not be yama proof, not be this one. He say go tell me who be destiny. They'll say who be the destiny. Now so they will ask you, who be the destiny? Like say you get better proof. Say if you enter Nigeria, so you go do this one, or if you come abroad, now so that one might be better proof. And you call and say Ogbomawa. Umami have a video no we no deni. You know so if na dey live video now they talk many things. Ogbomawa, all the only be open. Monica, I not hate you, but I must tell you the truth. If you want help, if help am. If you don't want help am, leave am because this one now you know the help am. Because now you can't put yourself for inside. Nobody puts you. Now you carry yourself. Can't put. Uma guye na record you where you can't dey talk say other destiny where you are muri. If not go love be one me. They don't do you, my sister. That thing wanna do that boy. They will do your husband. Touch true. Anybody where do that to my brother, he's here bolua. That thing wanna do that boy. I want my no. It's better you just stay away. Where one you go they run they go because of what you don't fair do. They see the open case so case how we make here what. And I will be a nan they'll come say what you do or worst. How you carry person, even though the person send person voice note can't give me. The person where get that voice, he give you say may you go ahead, may you go play for social media. He tell you say may you go ahead, go play. We don't do that. It's against the law. I wear because when they do something, now just they do like you know sometimes now they talk to people where their hair no. Where they not even know this. Like me now, the person go call me, go record me, go put up for social media. Il est baby moins. I know, me wa me. He's here below. He gonna even not pay me. You damage him. Now privacy. Now me and you they talk. You don't do that. You don't do that. You never enter one child. Say they turn and say all this record the one that they do. Wanna be careful. Wanna not go enter. Person we really know the law way hold on. Us your below. Una they talk say na social media. Now social media, I be presenter. Where the certificate where they give you, where you be presenter? What do they present? Where the certificate where they give you? You fit also they do live video. They do and where? No, the presenter wanna come the son at the corner self. Who are ya? Wanna do ya? He just say, "Buwa mu in a way where una I make buwa bagbonte." They give una certificate wanna say they do the presenter wanna they do the present wanna they present. I me or boy me or where. That's what they say they do. I get the audio. I get record down. I know say people when they talk like they record down. But before you record down, you go tell them say even though say they talk like me now my work better now. He will record the way. He can record the way. He go even tell you say yes I agree. Then he go start. I remember one video where this person do that time. That thing is stainless. The time where he will tell if you on a way or record the record there problem. You know what record there? He give a me record down. Record down. That one they okay. I bet you because I'm not Google and that person tell us to record me. So Monica, if you dey talk my sister, tell that your lawyer wait there for UK. Tell her say where you can't be your turn. Who will get look at your talk? Then you go tell you say me you wrong, go inside house, me you not talk again. You go tell you say me you wrong, go inside house, me you not talk again. Like I said, as you come out yesterday, you can't draw it. Dimorphy said, Dimorphy, I go show you for that record the way, even though say na 5 seconds. Any right. You understand? If not that one, now you the fight, put her for understand. Not be all this one where you can't put yourself. Not put yourself. I don't fair talk and say, nobody even look for you. They even talk and say, okay, you say me they not bring and command. And they must bring and command. It's normal. Even though say you say me they even bring or me they not bring her. Once they not be only one person dead there. The other person go say, I go show you. Oh, well, and go see bring and command. You go see bring and command. Because you know if you tell them say me they not bring and command or me they bring and command. Now you want to decide but they not be you. I fair talk and say me you come out yourself. You not take anything bad for them. I even don't fair talk. You not talk anything bad. But this one where you can't shook yourself for inside now. It is very, very bad. You cannot shook yourself. Eh? If you want to beat your sister, beat her. Beat her. Tanya. Kwanya. Not go put yourself. Even though say destiny even call you, can't they insult you. Fair think what you fair do. I will beg I bone your neck, my sister. I will make be ya why now. Don't fair do that boy. Who brigade you come out, who no brigade come out. When time reach, people go still know. Or jano they can call the Rio. They know they carry person out you like that, they carry they go. Now abroad with they. You don't do that. I'm where I do my very only who do spread there. No be tell you say me you do. You know, we not even 1 year. You know, say if you go when something go come reach court, you go say na me give am. But now you play and come out. You when not view not well at the end, now you go chop the big one for inside. Because now you play. Even though say tell you say me you play, you go play by yourself. As me just being a person you can't tell me say come play this audio. Now you get the voice. If now you get the voice, you say make I play and go ahead. Not be you get her, you say me I go play another person yo. Awawa, on my see me fiati. When any platform, where ask me I go we sure eh. Now so because una say una be present and una don't use everything to spoil everywhere. Mona they present where if una want to present, I'm gonna go get certificates. Mona go get some. That one might be Monica. Monica, now you put yourself, nobody carry you come inside. Now you. I not get it down anyway where you carry yourself, come put for inside. Destiny writes until you can't give you no threatening for there. Carry go give lawyer, make the still tell you no threatening there. But you still tell the lawyer what you fair do the person before this person can write this thing can't give you. You go must tell them. Because you not just wake up in the morning, can't write until can't give you. No. Who wait a man, we'll see what if fair happen before. What they do well. Oh, what's on no, it told him away because I just do out your last 3 days. I just say money cannot talk anything bad for them. It's normal thing say go defend person way nearer because I see I jo on a defend there. But the one way you can't do yes, you don't want the area. One of the more where you way. What did that one coming? Uta work below man get video ni wugata. Even person even comment for there say not all say the work bomber. Oh the daji by. Oh the daji. So for a Dimorphy, only the outside, I don't fair tell you for person, if you person just call you just press recording. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. It's against the law. I don't know whether it knows the law not strong for where or not. It's strong for where we do. You down one again. You down one again. A record your woman, you don't do that. If person want to talk to you, and that person just they talk, no press sound. What it a man we any man when not hang back now. I want record you. I don't want me you there aware. If the person say okay, write down, you are free because it's still there inside the audio. Well, okay, write down. Then you go start to talk to the person. When the same person you just call you record down. I'm not saying now you bring and come out so this one way with the talk. So because if now you bring and come out, therefore don't still talk. I'm not saying now you bring and come out. But that recording is very bad. Not the record people. Not the record people. You understand? Not the record people. I ya like may you not go enter one chance. I tell you now because now the thing say I feel do anything where I like. If you not go there, why are deaf your man no can? You go tell you. Oh see where bolua. And now I get to end this month where we just lose so you go court. And where you do the record the can now marry court. Yes. You must pay for it. Now damage, you damage that person. You go pay for them. Let me some people, if you say the record, if you say not tell you anything, not tell you anything, well, what when you get bam, you go carry, you go draw you where. Oh, na the same law where 94. I don't know why they can't they do like that. If not the same law, why they do like that? It's against the law. You don't do that. You don't do that. I wear. If you want to record people, tell them say you want to record them. If they don't agree, they will come out for the line. They will come out. So that one be that one ID. Try to stop this thing way they do. If you want to record people, say that person they talk like record that may be your but tell the person say I want to record you waiting me and you they talk so because it might go on na more your own. But you tell the person. If the person no agree, go drop for me, not call you. If the person agree, you carry on, you go record. So this one where everybody come they blame Eddie Idahosa because I just see many videos that they curse her, that they insult her. Say Eddie Idahosa, this one, that one. May I tell them my people, Eddie Idahosa not get bad way do for them. Now only that recording. Mona not say, mona not banner. Now only that recording. Like say you tell people where they life, where they delay. Say I the record though. Who want stay go stay. Who no want stay go come out. As the record take come out, nobody know. Now, some say na if your friend I bring and come out, nobody know. Nobody know whether na with the house see bring out, whether na if you bring out, whether na your friend go bring out. Nobody know bring and come out. But we see recording for outside. But mona no leave wetin concern wetin una supposed to talk. Na not the talker. Una just the talk say na Eddie. Una want kill am. Wetin dey happen? What why? What why? Your mu vie ne no bia. I don't know yes say he say not know anything. He dey house the way they call am. No be say that of it outside to mark be o. But on ma when you see at the time. Ona wa be when you den wa be the no na no me na go see give am. But this one na the man no know. Diyan mo bia ni lelegbe, diyan lelegbe. If you not tell anybody. So the one wanna come the talk say, Eddie is that one. You are a betrayer. You are that one. If not be say betray, they said if they put them for call for recording. That one okay. But say other one. Not be carry if you go give the man. If you not want draw if you wanna draw, et on home man way. You know here. You know here. All this thing one that they do is very, very bad. Why say you know reckon wagwanji ya? Why you attend your way? Why you attend your way? When you're tomorrow now, this if you go still get power, go do another one. You never even wanna wait. Not till summertime, wanna see another one will go happen. I feel na one join, na one back one at the back and you name money and I may so war. If you got waiting and when am I getting my way? That's the way they tell you. Go see the video. This lady video where I see stainless. Or get go and say if you or to ya giveaway or tama we matter or we pass through. Really, some people they are stress, they are problem. They think say then I don't want to tell anybody. That's the way don't pass through. Now go still put you say see as I tell do mail. And then again it's a PK, she's your friend. It done any so not time. And you gonna love him not time. And they matter no. You know tama when in your tell well. Now bad person, not be my friend. Now wish now that one. Or like but I know me nothing. I felt talk can say person where they collect it picking for your hands. You know if you talk say may be like person where they normal way picking them with them. No. It not go be. It not go be. That thing where she tell you go pick am. Rule si ekegbe tame we boya wo ge no we lele. O ma no tamu wa ni o wa tawe. All those one where they tell you say if you right done if you do and where if you are doing it better you are doing any man you ma gwa a progressive way. Wa ginya ni nyema. When I tamu we na it's no normal thing because I work by social media. I work by I know if you they not even any normal man. It's bad. Change. Hey God love and I know say they do this one go say if you not swag, if you not knock back, we are be a shame you no. Wale say less si akegbe motama we. Si akegbe. Or say we no. You know why I talk am. Or even no pass through. Or ma no even no man pass through. Or say till they see come ani. Not be all this one. Any mama, yama no with ma. They don't ever tell you one day say if you try me you go do what job tell you may you for the see your children. They never nyata mawe. I think they say you are doing it well. If your cousin, they don't like you. If they do this one, whereas not be that one, you get big problem. You get big one. Which everybody know. Will they tell you now you no one here? Those one where they back you, where they come and come they defend you. Nothing to defend them. Una to type you and we nothing to defend. We fuck up. Una fuck up with beragbe. Una fuck up with beragbe. Eh? Ave mi on never just said on way yen boyfriend yen say so we yen just zie yo le konpa. Oh we ya funu nu ya funu na o ya funu ya. Huh? O bia yon ho yon. Huh? Oga we do ata anywhere. Ovi da house why you wear there, why you do this one, you do that one. You do this one. O ma si yo egbe. O ma si jo egbe. Oga wa le yin ba ni dey tie wa emenia me wa le ri ene. About no na your massive work be any on ya home. No be you say may you go the misbehave for where the man then. You not even tell and say see what they go on. You not tell them. Or you ban na rule de daddy come. Eh? We are we you was agani and ya with the pastor. Yeah, where or my worry paint very honest because I also about the change on or change on but with time we go know. Eh? So why do I tell where obi da house no any no not by no betray oh boy betray your money. Ona ye we bia mo ho na we vie ya lele. O where no. Udana na we recording. Yes, o we recording. O ma we say of all time ya. You send the land bi wa be on you send the land. Eh o, am I home where obi da send the land ya. O we repent na yi we me down bet me. I ma ye get do matter no do no. Huh? Wa ya wa mu. Wa si via e wa mu e wa ta me wa we say obi da o hia o down. No, e bio. Okay, can I dollar niji? O mana area for mana waria na doleji. E oriane ado aso. Huh? I beg my brothers and sisters, you join in your but because I just see some people, I just the verse. I say some people where their age don't even grow. When age at least me with them go still the dry age. If you don't pass 40 something years, who give a mama? Like me now, don't be 40 something. I they go 50 side. I know be small picking. I know my left. I know my right. I know where they wrong. Especially when person they tell you in your papa tamawe, you go come no says there is something wrong there. In your papa watamawe, man na made the mistake. When there is something wrong, who gwala no happy way. Wala wo I a social media no what to na if you no wanna do go. Eh, na me the rain, na me they do they know the help. I don't feel talk. If you frustrate, if you get problem, social media will never help you. Unless you look for person where don't see past that problem. You will call them. I beg how you tell do your see what they pass through. What time away? When again no riane, we are going to boji. What you don't square now that one and the like pass. The one way good, you like eh? You like eh? You don't go here. So my brothers and sisters, now that one did invest me as Monica come to do because all do I make bear you wear because your man I don't know if you know as you be, you go maintain yourself. I don't expect say Monica will come and say, hey, Destiny threaten me. Destiny do this one. Monica, I beg. I don't tell you we deal what you but if you do something, I must tell you say because my only your born one. I understand. I know they like me and they cause for my because if you can't do nyama thing, I know they like her. Well, Destiny, you Destiny open your case. If you open now, hey, you go know me way. You go know me well, you don't have the right. You know they stand now open a case away. Whether they tell you may you play the audio, then you ask your general do even don't say you say na lack one I give you. Now you play on just or no, now you now you go answer. Thank you. I must say the truth, even though they like her or they not like her. I must say the truth. Not the truth. So that one where you call the talk say make Destiny not call UK. Who Destiny are UK or what you went on balegbe. Even your body soon. Oh you have prove it. On you prove. Anyway, Mula Johnny where send me say go tell me who be Destiny. Anywhere then you're going in my brother beg now. Don't forget I want help if you come out. Only we are at my I want to wear friends in there. When I go to wear your buff in your way. Huh? Do we maladia le case in Nanya? Okay, delegene. When me say you come and you tell the view, you can't even know because I even start the video because you can't tie a video need there for a propos now go see for them. Say if you the lie where they do this one. Even when job behind your yami. 3 years you ever give you where? Who will help you? You may do forgive you, man. Kwa they come back the mind when we are forgiving me get the work be women work be you too do that man eh? Oh now you can't bring the picture not be you can't bring am but the audio alone where you play hey when you go know everywhere like say you know the law where they you know say people where some people where they Nigeria they don't know the kind law where they here like say na me be destiny that time he go ni yan imu where is there hell wa mi audio to lemo why go ikpe audio oro ma na makama we no pe especially not be that person because una dey say una be social media wetin they call am social media presenter why presenting nonsense why any rockba why any certificate wo bo yan ni yewe news se for me news so ni amuladian e soro o hagin amuladian because the judge maka me yan ni amuladian yan amuladian mai mi wa nene yan somo yan mai mi because wetin dem dey not tell them say make dem do na dem go do ama we social media take na ya we funny thing una use and take turn to another thing una scatter everywhere it can't be like shit something where reach beneath people hand they must scatter am like be that one so the thing pay me invest me for Monica you wey don reach you know say I think they tell you say that they fight for UK be careful that one when yama just stay your lane they do what you want they do you don't make me vex when you come out they talk about one enemy you don't make me vex really you for not put yourself on my even no je o ko nya wa even no je o ko wa enemy a munyanya all the region what they worry you Bello you the craze you see I hold Monica for waste I dey tell her the truth make if she sit down she go know say na the truth I tell her uzuwa wa pe ejo na you wetin they do this they will do your brother they will do your brother you want me I block you I know they take rubbish for you I be they will do Monica they not do one so why do I wear no sense in you do this social media na no come know na left and right again una they do presenter nya mu when I know what the presenter know what which kind document una get when I tell they do presenter I be they tell una say if una they do the presenter una they play people how do you come out well love no mama now leave Monica alone you see I hold her I be you not listen to the audio where I do she fuck up this one she just fuck up for this one she for not come and come and talk even though say destiny talk to you tell her say my brother I must defend her now I beg I must defend her and make me the talk I beg who ya give no cow because of that because you know say on naka we mean something and now anyway that thing dey very very is strong wetin dem do destiny em no work be no em no ma wa ya win ya wa you koro na do one I don't know bring this thing come out but em no work be take care this Mercy Bello I go block her now if you not take time because in my whole name Monica if Monica listening to this one go know say na truth that thing de la way she put herself here time ona wa la de say she come out come give her to Eddie say Eddie you record me ona wa agbi yen ona wa we wa de buy we say because it's too much I record them but any na do I we go the can say go not here audio gin you knock normal we knock back gin mo na sorry I dey do something I for just support her for that one any na do I we and you know say your sister ogwa toge ama no toge o yin so aro no tamawe u vie kere we I gbe na no ma no toge because wa gbe na no mo egian because me no tamawe ni u ma dem e matter no it no matter who bring the audio come out who play and I matter you hear me agare nene cutting if they say me they carry and go cut you no say they go hold Monica well yan e daje be kun izeze oh no matter who bring her come out when I see no bring her come out they say no pe o but no pe ni yan worst is no wa pe ni no mo ya na do akpe yan worst is I dey tell na the truth now yeah because you go to we more like but we homa we wale we ya mo ma we ya play no gian ma word no never play person you we go tell na say wa say ken wa no ma ken wa say so now my brothers and sisters so wa said di ai e di ma me no see o wa o je mi ati e Omakwe me em no sunu. Omo no me social media, ma be kweta me we em no sunu. Na live yourself, ojo na wo mo, ojo na wera, ojo no pa wera, akwa aro igbiyan ri wujiyan ore. Do nu me ya wera. Gbe mo gbiyan. De nu me ya wije we gbiyan ri ladian. Wa gbiyan no we nu wa we ikuni we gbedo aro we no kaji. Man, no verse, I did do something. You couldn't do aro we no je. I beg, my brothers and sisters, now that one now I just see. Because I know they like people when they misbehave. Like me now, I can't do bad. Then, the person you can't retaliate. You wait here, I want to carry you go give up Balegbe. Before you carry me go give up Balegbe, you make sure say tell up Balegbe everything where you don't fair do. What thing make me come they do you what this? You don't know now. I be to wa where I do wa when I do igbe na gbene no. Na something emi o si emi ni ya. You can carry your body come on for inside there. It don't kill you. Monica head don't even kill you. It don't kill you. Me I block you. Monica head go kill you. As you know they tell them the truth. Ya mana mu go ne no zene ya mu wetin they call traffic ne no zene. Wa ehe wa go donate. Wa go donate ne. Who worry benuka wo me block you we. Me I block you. I block you worry benuka wo. Dan. Wasi ti wo nya gana we social media. Wasi ya. Or you don't know why legi yeke. Una live there for them. Una not tell them the truth. Like so na be good people. Una for tell them say Monica no enter this thing oh. Now you all they fight for inside though. Not your con no. You know say John you reach UK now. You know say John you come UK now. John mind your business so no enter. That's all na be good supporter. That's all na for tell them. Why go Tony? Why push you on the way saga? No can't start time again. Not mind them. Why push you on? Why push you? Mama do one. Mommy, just do one like this. Why go time when not go? You know say your sisters a bit talk like. You know say your sister na like if we match. Not just go. I want him na gbina ba. Ono na ni an to oge na. E de dejo. We kwa harmony we fi we here. Why go Tony? I will follow her down. I bet me I live on a job. So all those people where just they call it D wasi I. Are we in US saga? Why ba wasi? If you're not going to wasi your boss your way wasi bolua. Omo ne heme no wasi. Wakame no gba ogbe. Wa go wa is a tata ori. Egbo wa so wu we no dey buy now we wa me dey buy yen we okay not no. Yen ya gba ogbe yen. But wa pe ne gbigbigbi eze yen ehun dan yan. Eriye o ya worst. Summertime na ni an all worry. Eye na ke eye na da wa so na pa boss la jane. Eye ke for always listen. Aye bro. Let me leave una, Me leave una. Mona tell Monica me remove yourself. Remove yourself. Remove yourself. No away me away. Like me now if I offend person, I know say I don't offend you. If something come out, me gwanja neni. You gwanja because he can't offend the one. Because he money where the offend the one. Enye una ni. Monica una. O ka gbo mane. O da mana go we gwan. We gbedo ladian. If you well I will you know now. They're not doing to you. They're not doing. So wanna stop all this una nonsense. Una they present. Una not they present anything. Una they do live video. Wanna they talking like that. Why present? Nyama wa present. Nyama. Nyama no present. Avec be. I mean nyama na. Like that one where talk just now. Say person where they talk like then they record down. Yes, then they record down. You get the way where they say they record down. You tell them. No verse, so you know, say I don't they trust anybody. Now, so I tell you, I don't they trust anybody. So as we they talk, so I want record do. The person will tell you, say okay, record them. Okay, no record them. Now so they say they do. I want more. I want record there. You know. I mo. Why me have a book no do akpe live video, no do akpe audio re. Oh, woman, you recording now. This one I record them on a call listing. No they do because here I go. You go near. Oh yeah, whoa. Yeah, what the no shower. Oh, you war. Nobody call her. I know say nobody call her. Nobody somebody call Monica. Oh, when he defend the but Oma go away. Oma go away. It's normal thing. ETC VI jo. ETC I jo because already been on there. But Oma go away. Oma go away. Oh, we say. Wala osunu ne mi no padu wa mo ladian because me I want wa mo ladian wa ye mo ladian. Me I want wa mo ladian wa ye mo la because no be only one person dey there. As I dey talk am. I don't pare ba ni. Because who we o ma e no pa ti we hey wa me ke na wa lo e. E ma na ya na lo e. You go say go bring am come out. Like say na di even bring am come out we for don't even hear say na di bring am. Not being bring am. When you mo ya we mani ya send the gewe o CV mo la ga me mi adu pa no gbe no CV ni ke do ade live video wa ma gbe wa si edi hian we fake pastor no o sa bo we change your mind remember o sa bo change your mind with time you go know say whether that person change or not e ma where this change you e ma what change with time we go know o sa bo wa change your mind yes person fit dey change. Also, I need no help in why I go. What say Dana him? Why may I go? If you may I go, oh, you read us I go. I must see you when you're more here. I've been your one with your fuck up with dog. Eh? All the way me daily time, man. So, I be that one. And you don't know what they won't ever be turning. You're the tell people before you record them. You know, just carry the record. I carry records very only because we are recording ya we jogo gbalegbe eboni amu gbu e ka ni aga tie nu e wasa we gbe that one na normal thing eboni amu gbo wasa we gbe o ni o Monica Guji di me iwe ha emi egbe oje so gele tama ani o so tun aye ogbo destiny gbina when wana kan we wo ma ni e Obia no you where you wa we kwena we abia o man agbon no that's in na person na una know what una people they talk say na person carry and go give am na wow na person carry and go give am even though say person carry go give you e no give you okpu we no we pe ladian okpu we because we no pe ladian we aya go hi I don't know what they do some of our people self now not many people when they tell me say mama they'll just say mama see this person in work bonisa we picture no feel like a page where matter oh cause a page where oh I'll give you something I'll tell say my page not be the one when they tell they do that nonsense when we have your job because now me they'll tell the toss and they'll call they narrate me God forbid bad thing. When you see when you get your God one for your see this thing happen, may I bring and come you carry. May mwek beni. That's why they tell them. When you go jai go sono. I beg, wa hari ama wa be aga ori yeke. Wa be ya think e woman na ni han wa dia wa na e wo me. Where the audio when Monica play, nothing did there like that. Nothing there. Even nek gbe yan ya ata. We all know. Well, why we often take be my baby on it. Ekeni ya mudiaju, we mudiaju wa le hian. Because ya charge, ya va wa hu, o wa va wo hu, ona we gbe yare, o we yare ni yete. E yare ni yete, you live there. When we want only way destiny dey go anjo, wa le le tan, e no concern destiny get kan we. Because o make na mu e. E say we are Monica. May we dey tell ourselves truth. O ma look offending e. Only offending kine here. All your weather. Oh, we gbe me kana mu e say we ai. Oh, we can't forgive you when no nani e say we ai. All your way. I beg you. My people, I beg why you narrate of the house. Wa wo doni. Wa wo don. O ma we you we saga why see ai. Don't change ma be mi. O ma be change we still dey here. I mean one change in life now. I mean one change. So Monica, mind your business. If you go your lawyer, I'm not saying you not go, but you'll tell everything way fair happen. No, I don't know Tamawe. Or Hamawe will go beg that person. No man here don't near woman who was you were here. What a metal mail, you'll tell everything A to Z. You know, yes, as you take play their audio. You go say they tell you may you play and you go say no. Hey, always on again ta. So when do ala dia no dota where make destiny not come UK, you go give am agbalegbe. Where carry your agbalegbe na yen ku where you way. I beg my people, may I leave una. I want cook. Mona go watch the full video. Ni Monica ya ata we na tinye ya tori eh. I for say me I play for na bet it for apropos this thing na see for there. Otori o wono na ewe nokpa enenemi eri nokpa otale yare mani. We ri yen gbon ma be ri oni. Make na no ma be ri yo. I no dey fight for that person like that. I want was abo we me dan. We are not alternating. Okpa kan na tabu we iwe ihon ne I think be na no ma be ri oni. Lie. Because we are ya ototo ira boss you don because having this in my ya go ahead you we go re na we marry sisi ne abi we ma egbon ma be ri oni because we ri ani wa ne Monica we ma egbon ma be ri oni ya me kena onam we kena we gbe mu we o da we ji kan say we ai and the truth egbon ma be ri oni we ka offend no ale ni ya wa ale hian imi no kan ya ge kan we ejo ma be do si we ejo because we ri do si egbu we ejo we na do ma me dedere la dia me no den ni ya if you just be if you just good like that would if you go to la way if you can move where you way you see you see if you can move where you way oh no na you go to baby move well at you you no get sense like that say okay this thing don't fair happen I not fit to because this kind of problem where this man where I fair deal with this man never finish for a man to make I run run una motia what do we gbe we jane or I name me ga so name me abeg me I leave una beg I no fit talk I don't fit no fish out. Monica say he talking. Me I play myself. Why damn me yourself? He play for she to believe me and I believe me nyanga no we dey gba so no na. Let's say come out come dey insult Eddie say record down. I for journal insult Eddie. Why you dey record person? I for journal that one. But already you don't move by maybe now this thing Edward na bring out your call. You know doesn't matter how bring out who play Monica. If I say something he could give you what he can carry you can say I go play. How much they pay for you? Because you know playing for free. How much they pay for Matoni Joe? See how much where they pay when you take play and you not talk. You say see person wey carry am come on and listen to Monica you know now you know your area to be your area is the truth oga ata we mona see ivie etemata on no una even people now don't even see am mona dey listen you dead there
oh listen to the
now when the music you wan hear
it was evil. I cannot take it evil. She was claiming the man is wicked in her. She was claiming she can't move, she can't stand, she can't talk, she can't nothing. All she need to do is to bear everything the man is doing to her. Oh, my sister, I will tell you. She wanted to start that kind of pressure, make cry. She started crying. I told her, don't cry. If you now see people when they cry, that kind of cry. Make people run. Run, my people, my beloved people. I will never lie to you guys. Run from people who cry crocodile tears because those people. If you my darling, you are here. Those people. Somebody sent a message. My lady, I'm sorry to disappoint you. You say, Lolo, please take it easy. I cannot stand there and lie. I'm telling you. Oh, my when you lie. No, she said I should not be harsh. This might sound harsh to her. No, it might sound harsh. But the truth is that if you need to be told the truth, that crocodile tears she used in buying people's hearts. Please stop it. Just say the truth and nothing but the truth. This evening, before a good Samaritan came and saved the father of Ivie's children, Ivie still spoil it again. This evening, would have been life since. Would have been life since. But we are afraid of talking about. You're still going to watch it, you will know. No, wait. You understand? Ivie, you are here. Tonight's video is not going to be friendly. I will advise, if you have a friend that know how to perere you, just they calm, go stay with that friend. Or better still, don't watch this video, you will not die. You understand? You can watch it later. If I finish the video, we will talk. It's going to be harsh, okay? Because it's the truth. I cannot lie. I tell you now, I don't feel lie. I don't feel see through me, I live and me, I go sleep. In your day, so why we? I cannot. I wish I don't know the truth. I feel live one. Yes. As I get the truth, in your way. So if it will be ash because it's opposite of everything you have been telling.
And she also had the chance.
We have proof.
She had the
we
chance.
Have proof. This one not be say, oh, why you not? A proof it, why you?
And she had the chance. You had the opportunity for months, even almost a year, to tell the truth, and you didn't.
Hello. I'm hearing you. Yeah.
You see, I'm not lazy. You are trash.
No, it's not.
Goodness.
No one go therapy. Make it tell they say her problem is saying the truth. So I will keep on teaching her like a baby. That is what Ivie we get to this. So if you know you love Ivie, engage her. Call her now.
Obviously, she have manipulated. If they have really manipulate many of you, now all of you are like, picture. It's not fair, my people. It's not fair. Therapy is for human beings, not for animals. Do you understand? And
if you refuse to go to therapy,
you go to therapy.
You go to therapy. I wish if you have been to therapy since 2 years ago, this nonsense will be happening.
I have always wondered why, in God's name, in this Europe, where me and you know that almost 99.9% of women have rights to their children. Don't you people wonder? Don't you people wonder? I am asking.
But people, do you not see this waiting lot of talk so many people don't know. They don't there for their abroad like that. They don't even know. Say now woman I get right past man. They don't know. They don't know at all. If you tell them, what is that one? What you so you said that one? Well, that is for your mind. Who you they talk to? I been waiting Lolo talk. Now if not waiting Lolo talk, she is very right, 100%. Now woman I get right, but no see some people they don't know. Then they abroad, they don't know even the law where they there. They don't know anything at all. Anything where they just go say okay, and I hear. Okay, not me. Okay, you understand? Now woman I get right pass for this abroad. I told her yeah now this thing now. Wait till make me they play this Monica audio when she know the kind of person where Ivie be. Like matter now. Oh Ivie cause you talk be here the gualo. She for no enter. Or I think go in ask you understand? Oh I don't know. I know as I talk because I know they like people where go they Rudy vie. Why Rudon and I go they hear when person we don't know say they talk like. I am about the banyan lady yo. I am about the banyan.
Is it good that people are teasing Ivie? Even the teasing people are teasing Ivie. Let me tell you people one thing to do. I feel it for her.
Me too.
I keep on telling Monica, is there nothing Ivie can do to get her children back? Every day I attack Monica. I say, Monica, I can't listen to this story. The man is doing this, the man is doing. Is there nothing Ivie? You will say, no. According to what Ivie says it's not possible. But my people, it's not true. It is not true.
Lie. Bullshit.
All lie. All bullshit. Ivie was even offered to go to therapy. Ivie refused to go. So please, you people should just sit back and watch.
Okay, my people, the video where una watch for what did I call am? Mofi face where this matter where it for vex me. If you don't first tell me so many things, the reason why the man collects the children, if you don't tell me all na lie, but it tell me different story, okay? And with that story, you know, liars always they plant things. In one word or the other, I just like not really believe, but I know that kind of situation can happen. So I try to look at it like that, say, hey, this situation, see the way they happen, okay? See the way out of it. Ask her this thing I'm saying. I even plan with her, this will be the way out of it. Nothing comes easily. Hence it don't happen like this. We're going to do like this, okay? Then, when this audio come out, since Instagram, since morning to day, now people don't they? You never see, I don't know. You understand? Until this evening, people started sending it to me. I was at work, people started trying to listen to it. Then Now I go listening. As I listen, I see say na something where if you don't fair they tell me what this man they do. Say this man they collect if you money. As it be say the children they with the man. If you they work. And you know now,
Yes,
if now you children they with man go they pay you. So if now man children they with the woman go they pay the man. It's no man law, Abby.
Yes.
So I wasn't a fool when she said that. It's because it really do happen.
Yes.
So I can see when you hear they talk about they talk for the audio, they complain, they cry, waiting that man don't wish now waiting don't fair they tell me sin. I was very angry like so this man still have the guts to send this type of video out for what? What did he do?
Yes.
Now let me back on the one rubbish. Ronda was here. Two
Yes.
of us. I said, Lord,
Very angry.
forget that. Say you are here, not they play. Look this matter like social media matter. He said, this man a bad man. I said, nah, you man down, man. They more but bear ne.
We are ready to come and
one
fix it,
ne.
no matter
You
what.
understand?
Yes, now.
So, as we got the talk, waiting the man do.
Donation.
Now, so I said, let me call Olivier
To hear
to
from Olivier
hear
Max.
from Olivier. Now I take up. Una remember when she did live video today? Now that time they take draw my attention to the video. So as I just hear, I say me I call me I ask her. As I call her, she come tell me say she did live video. I was so shocked, like oh my god, this girl don't go live video. It don't go the talo for them. Now just quickly click Facebook. I go see if you did live video. Now enter. Una know now the first time I know they do. So now just say invite me. She can't really invite me. Now I say what you they talk
Not
about?
funny, eh?
Say now no Martin. Now I say not be saying now that video where they share they won't talk about. He said no. No really, just more. Now I say no, you don't need to talk about that. Me, I never know. I still believe in her lies. You understand? I was like, you don't need to even tell. May you end the video. Me, I can't tell you I want to give this man hand. You understand? That was the planning. So now I come call Olivier after she don't finish live video. Now I say, Olivier, wetin happen? Come send this your audio. This audio, who you be saying that to? Who be that a part? He say na that a one way born for now. So okay. Now he come go send that to Orionba. He say yes. I say really. Number one, now them he be say I want follow them 90 man. You know now. He may tell what 90 and Buhari where Orionba him. On our way, or Jonah said that you'll be on pan of your bad night. And it may take with me a la
Definitely.
You understand?
I can't find my pajamas.
So now say who sent out to that Murphy? He say no be she, not that man. Hey, that's okay. Send me this your one picture because you don't say where with the year of her. Nobody know her for social media. Then the man area so get it that way. You know, and you go already number. When is it right? A right to war finishing it because a man or the boy more Dio on a winky Murphy. So when it can be a man now or a man man. No, a weberio, no, a yo in a okay. Una when ye weberio or tene. Please tell me the truth. What did they happen? What did really happen? If you start all the lies again.
Okay.
As soon as you hear for inside that audio, say people when they collect children, don't they collect money? They can collect if you money, go give that man. So now let 300 euro can remain. When if you can't leave, that man don't care if they collect all money from if you. My people. 1 million lies.
Okay, you know that one, Monica.
He lie.
Hey, Jesus
when I mean
Christ.
lie, total lie. Lie. If he has never paid a dime, a dime. If he has never paid a dime to this man since we take collect children. This man not your ordinary collect children. Oh,
And you're
Jesus
seeing
Christ. If he, this man no ordinary collect children. Oh my God, social media people, more na continue to they deceive themselves. More na continue. Wow, where now some Monica they do. God forbid bad thing. I don't better talk for YouTube today. If I see say social media they give me mess for my life, I will off my social media platform. I go inside and go treat my.
But you know hear what Monica talk. Why Monica come now the one when they talk so. The yen na we gbe don we gbe Latin I defend them and not the person where they talk like they not they defend them. I defend them. One on jail. You for not because this one what you do yesterday. I vex for you, eh? I really vex for you, eh? Maybe because you say you want come give them back to destiny because what he right can't give you no write anything special for them. Nothing special, my dear. Nothing special there, huh? When you know the kind person, give oh, the thing they pay me for you, Sha. Because as you know the kind person where it be, then soon, no just put yourself. My baby on him. What it concern me? Because all not 20 man. Now only maybe one go be truth. You know the kind person, you can't still come out again. You know, say you don't fair offend their destiny. You don't do that. I work baby on it, eh? So now be that one. So destiny not threatening you at all. In the way, wow, women so who I expect to be anytime at all. Who I expect to be at any time at all because some people and they're not they take lightly with anybody, eh? You don't do that to people. Because one more ladia. When I'm more ladia, on your hand, even if the person will send that can't give you, that one not too much matter like that. If you be like say he said that can't give you, say see what they happen, may you help me listen, give me advice. I beg. Me I clear.
My mess. You get me? I have life before I come social media. Social media cannot take my life. If you want to take my life, may you why you're there. It back at way.
I don't fair talk.
God forbid.
I don't now yeah this year I don't fair talk. Say when Monica ya feel here kwa de social media. Almost social media for all la owa. If you not feel logger kwa. To any time when na something I should they tell you because no ya lose the family okay. All lose their social media worry. I don't fair defend. I don't fair tell this thing. Because if I see something, I go talk and not be say I don't hate anybody. She's my adult sister. Even if Vienna my adult sister. With the house at the center is my adult brother. But if they fuck up, I go tell them. If money can still do something way no good, if they time my help, or they won't get the time, I go to talk am. If I like am, I take am. If I not like am, I not take am. I don't fair talk am. Because in one time when you were do social media, I accept if you in ekwa. Because Ogelene money okay like social media is like me now. When people they talk say we want to see you, we want to know you. I get people where they respect. I get my children where they respect. That make me say, I beg me I continue like this. Otherwise, I go come out like say maybe I be single, I not get children. No, I go come out, nothing they happen. But I they no when you they protect somebody. You better me where because of social media, I feeling the best thing. I'm a social man get me on what they know now. No. If you're above it.
So now the first time ever where they even the government now don't officially write to Ivie say we go. The money they never take. The money that man never see.
But all time we working class baby. I be working class babe. Oh yeah, mom kia. Which is very bad. Yeah, when you young boy, man, but yeah, when you guys walk or man or no ya walk rubber. Say okay rubber near here, lele we gbina. Omo gbeken one na gbina, wa ge battery a week or four. We ti le gbina re ladia. Oh yeah, when you young boy, man, but mo boy. Yeah, when you ya walk rubber, no guy walk man agbo because wa walk man agbo fa ladia mo gbe we. I walk rubber.
They just write and say we go. They don't fit the right and sense. The man don't fit tell them, call the man and negotiate. If you say no, make me and you negotiate. Me and they give you 300. That man know how if you be. I am if you coca, why coca so. You understand? That man know how if you be. Now that man tell and say no. That 300 is good. I go take, but I don't go take from you. Let them come through government so that it will be every month. Because you, when me know, if you bring this month, till next year, I give you a boy. I don't want that kind of agreement. Ever since, if you not call people where they collect children, may make agreement with them. If you just they leave the letter like that, or I don't want or feel a letter until now when they come really say official finally if you so time they go collect your money, they never even collect her money. Now if you can do this audio, go give this man. If you they always do audio, go give this man. he go say he no get money, the money don't finish.
I'm not be
money this, money that, pity me, this. You understand? That one go say, but what do you they do with money? You understand? So if you now constantly play this sorrowful audio, but one trick we call there. This audio, if you no only share am to that man,
oh,
now only movie face go fit talk and take it. The suspicious thing right now where we never still fit carry out, and if you swear, I know believe because if you they swear, it they shock am. If you hear the swear, more than not believe that.
Oh, what?
On va vembo or yo e no. O e bo e mu e.
From where?
O wa vembo e because e re bo e gboma.
About Bama?
O wa zen fun e. O do ya we ya ko ya we ya jeje. You know good. So that audio, there is 99% believe. According to Ivie's senior sister that called this evening, and Ivie baby father, there is 99% believe. And me, according to Ami, don't they follow Ivie, they go since. Me, Monica, also my instinct. Even Lolo say our instinct. The four of us on the line, we said we believe it's Ivie that sent it out. Because if you needed this attention on top of that man's head, which really, it be one walk, until God say no. You not go feel they suffer for waiting you know nothing about. That man has always been suffer. I know so.
My people, because I will stop for here. Me, I just quickly talk this one. I told I hear this one where Monica talk so I just think about this audio where it go viral now, where the Murphy take talk, where all of them take there for group. Who go send and come out? If it still be send a video, because what Monica just talk now, I pick something for his side. Do you now understand? Maybe next Ivie you will record it or send it out. Where give me animagata. May they for blame that man, but he can't still say because you know the best way they talk lie. If you can't they talk truth, where you know matter way. You now understand that? Say that audio where Ivie record go they give your husband. So they can't still say Murphy. No Jamie only na that one the video of that is the audio of her husband. That's no say Monica they talk wetin happen between Ivie and her husband. He said nobody can know how that audio take come out. Nyere tell way maybe Ivie send the egioma. Maybe this one now, this audio now, we just come out we never reach a week now. Maybe na Ivie still record. Or now they send the egioma. From there, you know now, you send to me, I send to you. This one watch and this one listen. All like social media before you know it. If it be that one, because many people they suspect say now over the house and I send down because only can when it down. Only can when it down, see and I suspect But if it be say, as it all say, I don't repent. Now no, now let's say no repent. A platform or more. Now no, everybody know it the house. But for this one, who send down comments? If who you send down go give, you record down who you send down because we're told I give you wedgie. Even though say you say no be you send down, suspect go sit there for your side. So my brothers and sisters, why we dance agbe? What the man red don't get repenting. Not 2 years before you know it. 2 years they all back. Now make an red don't get repent because someone said it change. Because many people na ya wa on the we dance our more than agbe you see na jena no see eroto. She be adult. She know what she dey do. Before ke ya nyo ya kara no bia no wo wa. Weni ya, o ga mo ele yo hisa nya wana arule ya ti obi da osa no to tare. Ohun yen gi we saga yen gi le lo ma no ba biezo. Wana ya si o boss o welare o because wa ga gwa le kenu wana le do ti e bone. Now the truth, I go talk am. Even your friend wey dey Germany, wetin they call that boy, you not tell am. O hisa no na be tie. Now the truth. Oma mu we da una ya gwa le na no asi bagbe. O ikpe ni ona ginya do aro bi da osa. I must tell una the truth. And you go ask this one where they talk say what about audio? Go ask Ivie. You never hear say sister say ogwa toge or toge gbe bagbon. Oma no toge or ti we anything at all. And if it still be Ivie, no someone toge no ka suspect no toge ni ne. Jesu ana we mi ban ana e work pa no we ni o re no. Me ri me ma wo no pa ma wo do ma no ri we do ma no wa ma oko e no toge ni no. Osi egburu a what is oyi ebo ovembo but well because aya ewe wa ta me nata wa we no fi we ye if he come for social media hey ele for all better gbe na the truth because yan pe ye wo gbe ave madan ave de dioma yan pe jo but una say na say me better for una no obrigamo na bitter una no say people wey get this problem wey Ivie get you go tell am the truth straight direct e benunu ya tama wa tama gbo wa ga benunu na Ivie ze jo all meeting you understand all meeting so na be that one Ivie try to go meet doctor go watch wetin your friend talk stay less go watch am or pass through him now go watch am. Don't let anybody tell you say no follow stay less follow am because on know him no ma pass through and he may pass through we can pass through and when the feeling your back and set happy one man all this one way you dey tell you say if you no mind them they jealous wetin they jealous or more than you be working class babe he pray near guy working class babe ni we gumi aru wa on ya ho working class babe ni we no feel we kwai no me we ni we yari ra na nwi na masevie na nwi na mase if you love you even we je no me na ti agen omo I go tell you me na ti agen omo no agengie uma bega mo to type ban ya we enoje ya we ne family yen do here zigi yen ba be social media de yen mufuwa because yen bia na yen ke like social media won tare ba ni if you like you take if you not like not take wa atare ba ni go with dausa orí dausa no ti mo fi no he is go be social media na then one gbeba yo wo nu nyakara no wa enyo wonu nyakara no enyo be sere mo na no pe anu a we enyo mo enu wa je wa ya tie wa o ga je mo wa tie then one igbeba so if una dey talk sometimes mo na see the pick mo na see the reason as ya o mo na ni me wa gbe na enyo me ge ni no see o wa o ga je mo wa mo problem bia bí wa ma le tie ba nia you know even hear wetin dey go on social media na be do on well okay see wetin dey say dey go on no na corner so ya gba re gbe we no e ga mo emi no re gbe we wo nu wi enu mu jo ma re gbe nu wa ma yan si elu egbe emi no wa godo we wo si eye gbo egbe go take care of yourself na be that my brothers and sisters so this audio e dey for aproko na fit go listen to wetin Monica dey talk for there now for no say if you need big one help when you ask bejo so that one wey I felt on so we dance I got record on I will still talk am got record on wa han record on affected the person say I want record you this thing wey we waiting me and you want us I want record am if you still like you still record your own for that side I don't want me I just get that record because I don't know what go happen tomorrow if you talk say you not tell me then make me one record if that person tell you say okay you go do am dodge your record on so Monica stay away for problem stay away nobody call you for this matter now you dey jump inside now you want put yourself for inside because you want make them close this severe make them carry Destiny come out who play Destiny audio no be you abi na me play am na you play am na so mind your business enu era we wo mai as you just hear say Destiny just enter there where they let ani do omonogene no kori da de kwenu kosuka hot boy ni ne o mai ye fo we ho de no so no mana if you no kind get can wo wa le hian because we forgive you when they forgive you ni get le fo fe le gbe before you come enter another one now be man now that's why so me I don't tell now because If you not say I not still talk and we say na sabi do and say Monica do and we mo na tell na make carry on. A destiny and why destiny one when no was one. And I gele wa na gbo we your pan na re no we. Or you see Monica Bolua. Then now ya see Monica man Monica wasn't there again Monica ya see on in wa re no han win case na. They destiny man win case na dan na go lie. On win for any anti for YouTube over no ya pe ya. I give you the right may you take play and no. You don't give you the right. You don't give you the right may you take play and oh win a case enough for. Or if for all homo bonya kega. That's why God want women no magba. Eh? Now be the problem. Anybody will tell the truth or walking I know. So let's you there here, my sister. Obligé la go. Or say where you not, because I listen to your video where you do today. Oh, and no type everything is true. On my name pass through and no pass through ni no you will don't fair pass you know what they go on. You know. If you now instead of no seek away, man time I will run for that person. Don't be so. Don't be so. Go meet time. Why you lie? You don't even lie because of how don't be. Although here. It go if you not really if you not go treat yourself, you go come turn to another thing. Although him your age or be, I know do allow on a treat. Now the truth, if you because my beg any I wage your own 100%, they say you did lie. Me and watana jajiro. So no need. So my brothers and sisters, me I live una me I cook, I dey cook. Una do well. So I don't talk my own. You know, say if I see truth, I go tell you. If you say na lie, carry go. But if you don't see person where you go record, where you go come, or see where tan. Now you know that time. Monica, stay away from destiny. Stay away from destiny. Stay away from that family. Ni ya where ya see me, ya where ya who you go, Hell, you go near me to God, why is it pay? Who are back boy in Nigeria? Why is it pay? Ni asi we bok by star si we bok man the other one we no we pe ojo ni asi we the other side why is there pay one we po wuri Nigeria to tie to no be lie o na truth go ask lawyer tell them say see wetin happen so not tell them say na you do tell them say na person do iyan we fine iyan do time we article no lele here hey you go wrong. May I finish for them? Okay, now my brothers and sisters, now bye bye. God bless you all. Remain blessed. One love. Bye bye. Watch out.